Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing a recipe for coconut fried dumplings. I previously shared this in a vlog and now I'm posting it separately for easy access. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch or corn flour, an egg, half a cup of condensed milk, approximately 200 grams, add 1 tablespoon each of butter, baking powder and cardamom powder. Mix all the ingredients well to form a dough. If the dough is a bit hard, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cold milk, or if it is a soft, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of flour. This depends on the size of the egg. You don't need to knead the dough, just mix until it forms a dough. Set it aside and let it rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the sugar syrup. Don't worry, the sugar syrup won't make it overly sweet. It is just to coat the desiccated coconut in the end. In a pan, add half cup sugar and half cup of water. Cook until the sugar dissolves. Turn off the flame and set it aside. Now, let's give shape to the dumplings. Here I am making oval shape, but you can make them round or any shape you prefer. Keep in mind that whatever size you make, it will double in size after frying. I suggest making a small sized ball. Deep fry them in hot oil over medium flame. Note that on low flame they might soak up oil, and on high flame there are chances they remain uncooked inside. So fry on a medium flame. Flip continuously for an even color, frying until they are golden brown. In case the oil gets too hot, switch off the flame for a while and continue cooking. Once the dumplings are cool, dip them for a second in warm sugar syrup and coat them with desiccated coconut. You can store them in an airtight container for up to 1 week, but they are so good in taste, won't remain for too long. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Give it a try and share your feedback. See you in the next video. Take care and bye.